Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make your own juggling balls. And not only that, these balls can be used for a lot of things. We're going to be using them for bowling. We're going to be using them for a lot of things. So you can make them out of beans, any kind of beans, rice, okay, and of course you need some socks. And I would like not the low-rise socks, but kind of up above your ankle. There's some old socks that you don't use. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to make one with rice. And if you can see here, it is about 5 ounces. Okay, so I'm going to take the rice and I am going to pour it into my sock. Okay, and once you get it in your sock, it'll be about that big. Okay, and then I'm going to stick my hand inside the sock and I'm going to give it just a twist, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to pull it back through. And then I'm going to put my hand back in it, since there's this part kind of hanging out. Put it in there. I'm going to give it another twist, and then I am going to finish. And there you go. Got a nice ball there. See, I've got 2 balls now. You can also use beans. I'm going to pour about 5 ounces. Either 5 ounces or 2/3 cup. Okay, 5 ounces or 2/3 cup. Again, I'm going to take one of my socks. Sorry about that. And I'm going to pour it in my sock. And it makes about this. Now don't worry if it's not too big, because as we twist it, you can always change it if you want a bigger ball. I'm going to twist it, and then you can make all sizes of balls. If you've got a great, you can make big balls or little balls. But remember, it might look like you don't have enough, but by the time you start putting your sock and wrapping it around, it will make it bigger. So I'm going to give it one more twist. And let me finish here. And voila, I've got a ball now made out of beans. The rice ones are a little lighter. The beans are a little heavier. I kind of like the beans in a way, because it's a little heavier, and that's what you want, is that weight. But that's good, but rice will do also. Okay, because we're going to be doing some contests with these later and having some fun. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.